Hello again. Today I want to present to you a brand new product we have just received. It's the compression packing cube. This cube allows you to put your clothes inside and get rid of all the space that is lost inside it with the aid of a compression air system. So how does it work? Well, first of all, as you might have noticed, it has a zipper on the side rather than in the middle, which allows you to be able to easily open it fully, like here. In this particular case, I have taken 6 shirts and 10 t-shirts that we're going to place inside. So you can already see that it's much easier to put clothes inside this kind of a bag than in any other compression cubes out there on the market. You can also see that I have plenty of extra space, which I didn't use. You could have put about 25 shirts inside if you wanted. And this would be usually more than sufficient for a trip of at least 2 weeks. So you close the bag here all the way till the very end. Once you've closed your bag, you have 3 options. One is to just open the top valve, let the air out. It will take some time. You could get rid of some of the air. Obviously, the second option is to use a vacuum hoover with you, if you have one. Or the third option is you can purchase our mini pump, which is a rechargeable mini pump. You can also use it, by the way, to fill up anything from one side, and the other one is to empty. You even have a built-in flashlight inside it that you can see here. And you can, of course, most important of all, empty the air out of your bag. What you do is you just place it on the top, you press twice on the side button, and you let it do its work. Just like that. So you give it a bit of a pressure. You need about 30 seconds for it to fully empty out. Give it a few more seconds. And that's about it. You turn it off, unplug it. Now you can close the little valve on the top for security and check it out. Before and after, massive difference. A great way to pack your clothes when you want to put it inside either a suitcase or a backpack. You can even have a couple of them inside your suitcase or your backpack. A great product, great way to save space. Thank you very much.